Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Laksmana bin Penjara. Today I will tell you why I chose science class. The reason I entered science class because in 11th grade we have to choose design courses. Study for the high level. Why I did social class? Because I don't understand the reason that are memorized and theory. The reason I entered science class. I like biology, physics, and chemistry, but I can't calculate. So this is the reason I entered science class. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.